What's up, YouTube? Today we've been making some custom parking lights using these guys. So what I've done, I went and put my parking lights in the oven and put it to 210 for about 10 minutes, give or take. Take it out, take a screwdriver, plastic pry, and kind of pull at it here and there, loosen it up. And here's the lighting strips I'm going to be using. See, they're not terribly thick, but you can see these lines here. Oh, focus. Alright, but you see these lines here, and these are cutting points, and you can cut it to length. And well, I'm just running up here to about here, which isn't that long. It's the beginning, so it's gonna end up, I think it's this one here where I cut just like almost half of it. I just take the cap off of here, put it in here, and that's all good. These are waterproof, by the way, but you know they're not gonna get wet being inside here, especially after I seal everything up. But anyways, I gotta go check on the other stuff here, and then we're gonna make some room here for these. Run these strips, but be right back. Alright, so I got one kind of installed here. Probably gonna throw some extra silicone on it just to kind of hold it there in case that tape doesn't hold. But yeah, so we're gonna put this one back together, set it up, maybe test it out just to see if it still works. Then go into this one, which I already have this one cut ready, have it cut there and where I need it in there. So let's put it back together and let's go check it out. For the lighting here. Alright, here we are. We got both of them done. Now just to put this guy back, put these guys back on. And here they are, all done up. Can't really see them here, but just wait till I hook it up. So here's with just the running lights on. So that's it for this video. How do you guys think I did? Would you guys have done something different? Drop a comment down below with your ideas. Also, I'll leave a link in the description for the LED strips that I used, if you want to make yourself a pair. So drop a like, subscribe, stay tuned. I'm going to be doing some color changing halos on the Yukon next. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.